try this for the third time. People keep phoning me. Anyways, Bruno here, Bruno's Classic Car Garage. I haven't done anything lately on my videos for my YouTube. I've just been kind of doing stuff that's probably not going to be making very exciting content or anything like that. So I'm just working on this 63 here, as you can see. So I mean, I don't think you guys want to see me sanding and stuff for hours on end, doing body work and whatnot, but I'll just give you a general overview of what's going down here. So I've got mechanical stuff is pretty much done under the hood. I wanted to get all that done before I started doing any kind of body work. And as you can see, boy, this thing was pretty crooked on this side. I got a feeling this side was had quite a bit of damage at one time, because part of this fender was replaced here. They didn't do a very good job either. And there's a lot of mud here. You can see a lot of mud here. Look, mud everywhere. Mud here, mud, 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 mud. So even here, see? And it's been painted a few times, so the other side doesn't seem quite as bad as far as body work, well, so far. But so anyway, so I just straightened that out. You know, you can see where I did some body work and stuff like that too. I still got to do the bottoms now. I'm done the tops, all the sanding's done up there. I was doing some, I already had everything outlined with paper for sanding, and now I like tape, and now I just redid all that again because I'm going to start masking the windows and all that here soon to start putting some primer on this thing. And well, I'll tell you what, that's a lot of surface area, man. That's for sure. So yeah, you can see this side here, I'm not really having any problems with highs and lows really that much. You know, a little bit there, maybe a little here. See the mud here? The mud here is blue. I think that's mud on there, pretty sure. Yeah, it looks like some kind of mud on there. I don't know. Anyways, but it's not all wobbly like the other side. So that other side, it's been abused a bit. I got to clean this here, strip this, see what's going on here. There's rust showing through here, so I got to fix that back there. I removed whatever trim I could. That was easy. Here we go again. Now I got to just remove the lower molding and the wheel moldings here on this side yet. So anyways, yeah, I'm just trying to get done here so I can prime this up. And, you know, kind of the typical thing, right? I'm sure you guys have seen it all. It's nothing new, but that's kind of what I've been doing. So until I do something that's kind of more, you know, exciting to watch, I didn't want to be boring the hell out of anybody doing this. Like, it's at a stage, it's not really, you know, it doesn't matter, it's not about the car, it's just what I'm doing, right? It's just monotonous sanding and sanding and sanding and more sanding. So that's kind of what I've been doing, and that's it for now, I guess. I don't know. I will be doing another video here probably tomorrow or the next day on some other stuff, but in the meantime, that's about it. Share, like, and subscribe, guys, and follow me on my Facebook page. All right, thanks.